Hello everyone, and today I'm just going to be showing you this right here. It is a plier thing right here, and then it has lots of utensils in there, and I will show you that later. But this is a pretty helpful thing. I'd usually just put it in my pocket or something like that and carry it around wherever I go. But it's pretty good. It squeezes really fast, but now I'll show you what's on it. Well, first thing that's on it is obviously the knife right here. It's not too big. It's only like 2.5 inches, but I guess that's enough. And the next thing is a little screwdriver, right? There. One sec. So let me so you can see it better. It's right there. And the next thing that I had to show you is this. On the utensil thing, a can opener. It also has a little saw like that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And the other side has on it just this is for like your nails, like this right here. You can file your nails like with that. Or here's the next thing. I really don't know what this is for, I guess, but I guess it's just something to have there that they made that I have really no clue that it was made for, but I guess it was made for a reason. This right here, it looks kind of like a little axe, but I don't really know what this is either, but right here it looks like a can opener, but it probably isn't. And this is like really sharp right there. It looks kind of like an axe. And this right here is I really don't know what this one is either. It's that. But I'm just going to talk about this and stuff. That's all I have to show you in this video, but see you next time to my next video, and please subscribe. Bye everyone.